Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build something. It's an outdoor cooker. You just need to have flint and steel on your hands, and if you light the candle inside the machine, all you need to do in the machine, all it has, you see that olive can right over there? The olive can is the thing you put your stuff in. And you can do this craft at home. It only requires scissors, a glue gun, cardboard, tape, and a candle, and some popsicle sticks. Now enjoy the video. Okay guys, so after some work, we managed to get all the way to a finished result of the first, first and second out of the 4 stages. The first one was building that cardboard box and cutting the cardboard around it. The second was applying the popsicle sticks onto it. And then, we're gonna put a ton of beads in there if you don't know. So I think I already put beads in there. Just sit back and enjoy the rest. But also, just be warned, when using hot glue, you always want to be careful when that's happening, because hot glue is very dangerous. And the scissors I'm using, please ask an adult for help from the hot glue or the scissors. Those scissors I'm using is able to cut straight up 2 layers of metal in half. Be warned, it's very dangerous. Ask an adult to help with any process. Well, that's all for now. So, see you next time. Oh wait, did you guys see me at that exact time putting beads in when the garage door opened? That was accidental when I did that, because I was accidentally doing it at the exact same time when the garage door was opening. I don't really know what to say about that. However, that was pretty amazing that I just put the beads in, but suddenly the garage door opened. But thank goodness you don't fully know what my outside house looks like, so I'm safe inside a house. However, that marking you can see probably leads into my doorstep. Anyway, that's just a little add-on since I saw that while editing this video. Oh, and guys, by the way, one thing about something is I'm chugging down some olives right now. However, because there's something that I want you all to know. In fact, I'm gonna, you know what, we're gonna,